dry wood stacked and cut up. Let's get that fire going. Okay, so this is
Yes, our master chef looking at
my
dear master chef and asking, where's the pimento?
light. Welcome back, guys. We're here in the building with the teacher. He's not Addy, another teacher, Mr. Sterling, who will be assisting us with teaching. Listen to this. All right, so before we get into all of that, we want to know a little bit more about the teacher who is here with us today. So, Mr. Sterling, tell us about yourself.
Wow. Well, I'm a caterer by profession, and I'm also a rabbit farmer, and I'm also trained in sauce and season manufacturing.
Sounds very interesting. So we have some really interesting and tasty food looking forward to. Yeah, because the man has the skills, you hear him said. Alright, so Mr. Sterling is a fellow rabbit farmer similar to us. And we actually met Mr. Sterling through a group that we have with other rabbit farmers. And we realized that there are a lot of interesting people in that group and all of that. So, we went to collect some rabbits from Mr. Sterling today, and one thing turned into another, and right now we are here going to enjoy ourselves and lick our fingers.
Literally.
Hopefully, and to teach our friends in Trinidad a lesson. So if you want to know the secret, you have to talk to us off the air. But for now, we're gonna enjoy some tasty rabbit.
And remember, we're also doing our orange flavored barbecue sauce on the rabbit as well. And we had gotten a nice piece of yam that we'll be roasting to pair with our jerk and barbecue rabbit.
Okay, so right now we have, boy, I'm excited already. I can't wait. All right, so we're gonna show you guys a little bit more of that. So stay tuned.
Yeah, man, I say, Thursday now whenever Christmas because, for the Christmas, could I invite out some people and we do some jerk rabbit. Just put a little vibes together. Right now, I think so we should have still do it for Christmas. What do you think?
We can.
What do you say, Sean? Yeah, man.
We're going to this one stay over here.
No problem.
Because I'm at the end of the seasoning, we won't be using this for anything else. You can just drop them in. Basically, this is called tumbling.
Oh, Mr. Sterling, the seasoning smell really good, man.
Yeah, 100% natural, no preservative.
So tell us a little bit more about that seasoning. What's in it?
All right. The seasoning is the jerk seasoning is mainly made with natural seasoning. So we have onion and garlic. We also have Scotch bonnet peppers and ginger, and we also have scallion and thyme. Those are our 6 wet ingredients, and by wet I mean fresh. Then we also have in it salt, pimento, and rosemary.
So for he who shall not be named, who has a problem getting pimento, yeah, we have that in loads here.
Our brand of seasoning is a Matie Sauce jerk seasoning. which is one of my personal products.
All right. So as it relates to the brand Matie Sauce,
Matie Sauce.
you guys are on any social media or?
No, we primarily do custom production.
So if we want to get in contact with you, or if any of the viewers want to get in contact with you, how will we do that now?
Well, you'd have to give me a call. That will be 876-825-2592.
Go again.
876-825-2592.
All right.
Or you can send me an email at matiesauceja@gmail.com. Now, because the meat has just is fresh, it is possible to season it and jerk within a short period of time, because you find that fresh meat absorb the seasoning a lot more quickly. So I'm going to leave it here just to marinate for a little while I prepare the grill.
So right now we have the fire blazing. Gonna start our thing in the coal pot. I have Mr. Sterling here. Oil in the grill. Why do we need to do that, Mr. Sterling?
All right, because of the rust that is on the grill, you don't want it coming off on the meat.
Oh.
All right, so you oil the grill, and it also reduces the likelihood of the meat sticking on the grill. You can still have some of it, but not as much.
Okay.
And the reason why we catch the fire in the coal pot before we put it in the grill is that, as we all know, cooking is about managing heat. So that gives us a lot more control over the heat content of the pan, because we're using live coal.
People, it's not no play thing. We have an award-winning chef dealing with the thing for us today, not true?
Yeah, man.
All right. You know, I'm kind of curious though, Mr. Sterling. Why Matie Sauce? Why that name? I'm sure people
People always ask. Matie, within the context of the Jamaican culture, is referred to as being the other woman.
Okay.
What nowadays people refer to as being the side chick.
Mm-hmm.
Now, because the product that we had developed initially was for a guava-based sauce, and completely natural. Guava, ginger, Scotch bonnet peppers, pimento, brown sugar. Those are the main ingredients in the product. We saw that product as being in competition with the established sauces out there, like ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and hot pepper sauce, and all of those, because it was so formulated that it would position itself in competition with the established product. So you could refer to it as the Matie of sauces. And on a more comical note, we would like to think that Matie brings something different to the relationship. So that's what our product does. In conversation with a lot of people, you know, especially when they see it written, because they don't believe anybody would be so bold, they try and pronounce it every other way besides Matie. Them say if it's Matie or Matic, you know, because them don't believe that somebody would actually call their product Matie. But as I said, we are here to establish, to confront or to challenge the status quo. So we're the Matie of sauces and seasonings.
We have the little helper on set today. You're going to help Mr. Sterling with the chicken?
No, rabbit.
Ah.
Guys, I think that is good.
Morrison, this smells good, yo.
Anytime when you're ready, I know what the taste test for the call.
All right, sir. And this is to come later. This is the orange flavor barbecue sauce.
What? Yo, I'm gonna go and prepare myself now, man.
Look what is going on here. Look at this. Yum. Alright, so
Now the first thing to come off the grill is the liver.
while we were waiting, we went out and got ourselves some refreshments. Yeah, so you know what I say. Later will be greater. Uh-huh.
Did you make our promise to never come out early?
Yeah.
Samuel?
I'm there, remember?
Nice, man.
She's supposed to do something there. Blessing. Yes, sir. Dip it in sauce.
No, no sauce in this one. This is
No
just
sauce.
the,
Just
the straight liver. And for the cameraman,
Me, the biggest piece.
Come with more behind it. Nice.
Mm. This a man I say,
Yeah, sir.
my wife he calls, so he has to leave.
No, man. We never said me have to leave, man.
No.
why be called? But I don't mean him have to leave.
The call, but we're not ready yet. Man, have to eat first. That's it.
Okay, so our jerk rabbit is ready. So we're going to removing those. We did some with skin on, as well as the skin off.
They look really nice.
I've put some of the barbecue sauce in the bottom, and now I'm going to be adding the grilled rabbit to it. And at this stage, close down the grill and give it about 10 minutes or so, and then we're ready for service. Now this is one of the rabbits that we are done with the skin on. So if you notice that it tends to have a little bit more char on it, because we have to ensure that the heat penetrated the skin and for the meat to cook properly. Now this piece, as you can see, it is nicely browned. This one is without the skin. These will be ready. Now the advantage of barbecuing is that we get an opportunity to replace the moisture into the meat, because rabbits are so lean, especially for the ones that have been skinned. We have two different styles of rabbit. So we have our taster here with our trusty Samuel.
Stay over there. I'll do the tasting. This is how jerk's supposed to taste. This is exactly, well, it's barbecue, but you know how it goes.
And that's the jerk piece over there without skin.
Without skin. Yeah. I can taste the difference between the two.
Yeah. The one with the skin tend to be more gamier. So which would you say is your favorite, skin or without skin?
Let me finish eating everything first.
All right, no problem.
This is the jerk without skin. I like its texture because I'm used to it. Maybe that's it. Let me see this one now.
That's with the skin.
This is a barbecue with skin. Texture is different. Let me go back and try this one again.
I just eat him, I eat everything. He's just eating everything.
I love everything. Let's call it that. I'm trying to find a difference. There's a difference, you know, but I'm trying to tell you which one I prefer. I'll just eat everything and just say I love everything. That's my thing. It's good. 10 out of 10.
Move your
Move
plate.
your plate, yeah, master. I'm a taste, you know.
Alright, so this is your yam. Barbecue with skin. Barbecue without. This. Man, this piece here too big for you. Yeah, this is a jerk with skin.
Too big for you.
No man, it's because the plate's small, you understand?
Not too dry, moist. Let me taste the jerk with skin now. I can taste the seasoning more on the one with skin. Like it's on the surface.
Okay.
And it to me is more moist than the one without skin.
Yeah. That is that is definitely one of the expected outcomes when you jerk with skin on. The only challenge is that the skin will tend to become a little crispy.
I'm not sure if I tasted that. Maybe I have to taste it again. I have to taste it again, brother. Let me taste it again and see if I can find the difference.
I don't think we have enough persons here
Yeah.
to eat off all we have.
Let me taste it again. and see.
Which
Yeah.
one?
This one definitely, I can taste it for real. On this one, it's more distinct on this. The flavor on the outside, yeah,
right.
the one with the leg, the skin.
You're definitely going to get more rabbit flavor from the skin.
Mm-hmm.
The one with the skin, man, the flavor.
People, I can tell you without a doubt, Mr. Sterling are the teacher. Yes,
Thank you.
Mr. Sterling are the teacher, and the lesson is well learned. Rabbit is really good. You know, with skin, without the skin, with sauce, without the sauce, everything is good. That just is a testament to how talented Mr. Sterling is. So we're gonna close out the video now. So that's it from us here at JSH Rabbits. Thank you guys for watching us. Thank you for following us. I just need to remind you, you don't have to be a Mr. Sterling to cook the rabbit. You know, you can do your own little recipe, your curry or your stew or your fry or whatever with the rabbit. So, any last words, Mr. Sterling?
Well, yes, thank you for viewing. We hope you enjoyed. And as Irene said, look forward to seeing you again.
All right. So, he and she from Trinidad and Tobago. I hope you guys learn your lesson today. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. You know, it would help us out a lot. So that's it from us here again. Thanks for watching. And of course, see you in the next one.